Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this chocolate dip for your puffs, for your bread spread, any other thing you want to use it for. So the main ingredients for this is going to be your cocoa powder. So I'm using this particular cocoa powder because I heard it's very good. Not that I even heard alone, I know it's very good because I've used it to make what's it called, brownies, chocolate cake as well. So it's very good. So you get 1 cup of this and put into a pan or pour into a pan. You get some sugar, half cup of sugar. This is not really full, but you can use half cup of sugar if you like it to be very sweet. So the next thing to go in is your cornstarch. So you add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. I can't even remember if that's a teaspoon or a tablespoon. I think that's a teaspoon of cornstarch, right? And then you mix together to combine the dry ingredients, and you just mix it very well so that the sugar and the cornstarch mixes together. Then you get your milk. You can use full cream milk, you can use filled cream milk. So whichever one is available for you, you use it. But you have to do a 1 cup. This is firstly 1 cup of milk. You can also use powdered milk, but you have to dissolve it in water so that you can work very well, right? Because you need that liquid to mix the whole powdered stuff together. So just as you're saying, when you mix that one together, you add more milk and then you keep mixing and stirring and combining till you get. So I think the more quality your milk is the more outcome, the more the quality of the dip. And again, please note that for now we're not doing this on heat yet, so you're just mixing without heat yet. We'll come to when we're going to place it on heat. So but for now, you keep adding the milk at intervals till everything is combined. If you have more milk, you add, right? If you have more than 1 cup, you add, but it shouldn't be too much. It shouldn't be up to 1.5. So if you've gotten to this stage in this video, that means this must be really helpful to you. You think it's something you're going to do. So do well to show me some love by subscribing to my channel, turning on your notification bell so that next time I post you see it. And you see here now it's already on heat and it's being cooked. Please set your whatever to your heat, whatever heat you're using, to medium to low, right? And then after that you're gonna get this. So allow it to cool down before you do this. So let me know if you found this very helpful and if you're going to try it out. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like my video, comment, and see you next time.